Thirikari ya kaunti ya Kiambu riu ni yugite ni gutacukia makinya maruru ma kiwatho kuria arigitani aria mekunyitikana na mahitia na aria mangikorwo maragire gutangikira mwana wa mieri 11 muthenya wa ira uria urakwiriire moko-ini ma aciari ake thibitari-ini wa igegania level 4. CEC wa ugima wa mwiri Kiambu Elias Maina augite gutire mundu ukwirisha watho wothe urangondoreirie wira-ini wake.
We have gone through every detail. We have all the information, and I want to assure the people of Kiambu that we will take and we have initiated all the disciplinary measures that need to be taken on anyone who may have omitted his role or her role in managing this patient the way the patient was supposed to be managed.
Akiaria ri thibitari-ini ucio Maina augite ni mambikite ũthuthuria bara nginyo na ni giko kimekirite kiha kinene ati mwana no akue ni kwaga kurigitwo.
We have come to assess the situation on the ground in Igegania Hospital after a very unfortunate case that happened here where a child lost his life. And we are here to come and assess and ascertain and be sure of exactly what happened. We will make sure that we get into the bottom of this condition or this situation or this issue, so that we are able to know exactly what transpired, what happened, who did what, because we can't afford to lose even one single life. Is so important. It doesn't matter whether it's an adult or it's a child.
Gukiri uguo augite ni mambikite mitaratara ya gufuta na kwandika weru arigitani angi riri aria maigite mirothi mathiete na mbere na muungano wao.
We have received reports on who reported to work and who did not report to work, and immediately we have initiated the disciplinary process, and it will be brought to conclusion, and immediately the names have been brought to us. We are recruiting other staff to replace those ones who have decided to keep away, because we can't gamble and we can't risk on the life of our patients.
Ngiribotera Inooro TV, ritwa riakwa ni Monica Njoki Mwajeri.